Alright, time to dive into the AI Manager's code. The structure of my AI Manager's class is the same as my Player Manager or any other script that I've written. To start off my coding process in AI Manager, I will start with using enums here. I have created an enum called AI type, which will hold the AI types and algorithms that my AI can run. If you don't know what enum is, it's simply a package like a dictionary that stores integers but with a name that is human readable. So if I take a look here, I created my enum of AI type, and here I have 4 different entries and they are all actually int. So if I hold my mouse on one of them, as you can see, if I, for example, do nothing equals 0, random equals 1, greedy equals 2, and smart equals 3. I created 4 types of AI. So the first one, do nothing, actually does exactly what it says. It does nothing, it's just for testing purposes, so it just returns a null. The second one, random, is just a random algorithm that picks a random action from our list of available actions. Greedy algorithm always looks for the best possible solution. And the smart algorithm is the mixture of my greedy algorithm and my random algorithm. The next enum that I have created is the states, which is the current state of my AI. So I have move right, move left, and shoot. Next, I have my methods. In my awake method, I have cached my move manager, shoot manager, and my collider. And we'll talk about the rest of the awake method in the next lesson. In my start method, I will run the type of AI that I have chosen in my Unity's inspector. So this is my current AI type. If I look at my public variables, my current AI type is AI type.random. And I can change this in the inspector. Inside the switch, I will look for the AI type. So if it's AI type.doNothing, I will run the doNothing method. Invoke repeating will just run the method that I have passed to its first parameter each x seconds. So the first parameter is the name of the method that I want to run. The second one is when you want to run it, so 0 means run it instantly. And the third one is the repeat rate. So in my case, I have a variable called decision time, which in my public variables, I have it here. So I can change it in the inspector. And I have created a custom range between 0.01 and 1 second for it. If I take a look at the run do nothing method, it's just simply a debug.log, and obviously my AI will do nothing. So it's just for testing purposes. The second one is when my AI type is random. I will run the runRandom method. Let's take a look at it. Remember that this method will run each x seconds. So it means that everything that you see here will run every like 0.1 or 0.2 seconds of time. So I have a debug.log that says running random decision. In the next line, I get all the possible actions. So I get enum.getName types of state.length. So this line of code finds all the possible states that I have in my states enum and takes its length and put it in the variable called states count. In the next line, it will choose one of the available actions from my states enum completely random. So there is no decision making here. There is no condition, nothing. It just picks one completely random. So inside my states enum, if I take a look again, I have move right, move left, and shoot. Each 0.2 seconds, for example, my AI will pick one of these states randomly. It will either move right, move left, or shoot. And finally, to apply this action, I have a current state, which is the current state of my AI, and I will take the decision that I have from the last line, and I will convert it to the type of enum, and it will update my current state. And in the end, I have logged finished taking decision. So how does it perform this action? It will be in the update method. If you take a look at the update method, we have if current AI type is equal to AI type do nothing, we'll just return. So we will do nothing. But if our AI type is something else, we have a switch here. We have our current state, and our current state is also among our public variables. So this is our current state. And we have a switch case. In the case of move right, our move manager script will move the character to the right. If it's move left, our move manager script will move the character to the left, so -1. And in case of states.shoot, my shoot manager script will shoot the bullet down. If you remember from our shoot script, +1 was shooting from bottom to top, and -1 means from top to bottom. And the second parameter is, of course, false because I am not the player. So congratulations, we have created an AI. It's not something that really thinks, but it does things, and you should be proud of yourself right now. Let's take a look at it in the action and see how it works. So I have my current AI type of random. I'll make sure I have selected my random, and I will leave my decision time to 0.2, so it will decide what to do next each 0.2 seconds. I have nothing to do with my current state because my current state will be updated based on the decisions that my AI will take. And the other settings are not for my random AI, so I just leave them at their defaults. Let's run the game and see how it works. As you can see, our AI works. It acts kind of crazy, but it works, so it's a progress. There is no pattern to the way our AI performs. There are no smart moves, there are no strategies, nothing. It's just do things randomly. Move left, move right, and shoot. It can be a fun way, it can be a fun AI, but it's really too weak, as I can say. So if I just focus here, I can dodge all of his bullets and he will eventually take a hit from my bullets. It doesn't have a strategy, nothing at all. It's not an intelligence, it's just something that does random things. It's like playing the game with closed eyes and just pushing the buttons. In 90% of the time, a random AI is not a good idea, but adding randomness to your AI is a very good idea. So it's kind of it's a must actually. You have to add randomness to your AI, but your AI must not act completely random. It has to be aware of the things around him. What we did here was that among all the states that we had, so move right, move left, and shoot, we took one completely randomly. So there was no condition, nothing. In the next lesson, we will learn how to improve our AI and use other algorithms to actually have something that our AI can think about, and we will add some randomness to it as well. See you in the next video.